Hello friends. Today we are going to understand about the prokaryotic cell structure. Now, the prokaryotic cell includes bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma. The characteristics of the mycoplasma is that it is having a cell wall less, as it does not possess any cell wall. Then the example that is PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia-like organism. Now, the bacteria are mainly classified in on the basis of their shape. They are of four types. First, spiral. Second, rod shape. Third, coma shape. And fourth, spiral. And their respective examples are in the spiral, that is cocci. Rod shape example, that is bacillus. Coma shape, that is a vibrio. And spiral shape, their example is spirillum. So now let's understand the further a typical structure of the bacteria. As the bacteria consist of the outermost layer, as it consists of the cell envelope, and the structure within the cell envelope, they are first glycocalyx, second cell wall, and the third plasma membrane, or in the another term it is called as the cell membrane. Now the outermost structure of the cell envelope, which is made up of different chemicals and structure, is called as glycocalyx. Then this yellow portion, which is called as cell wall, as the cell wall is the rigid structure which is made up of the substance which is called as peptidoglycan, and they are made up of two subunits, or they are made up of a unit which is called as N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. So this was about the cell wall. The another function of the cell wall is it provides rigidity to the cell structure. Then the innermost structure, that is called as the plasma membrane. Now the another structure of the bacterial cell, that is flagella. As the flagella, which provides motility to the bacterial cell when it is present in the aqueous medium. The flagella consists of the three structures. First, basal body, second, hook, and the third, that is filament. Now the another structure, which is called as fimbriae. This fimbriae helps the bacteria for the attachment towards the substratum. The word substratum includes to the host or any tissue of the organism where the bacterial cell get attached. Then the another structure, this tube-like structure, which is called as pili. This pili helps in formation of the conjugation tube, which helps in the sexual reproduction in the bacteria. Now this infolding structure, which is called as mesosome. This mesosome is having the three different infoldings. They are vesicles, second tubular and the lamellar-like structure. They also possesses the respiratory enzymes within it. Then further, this structure is double-stranded circular DNA, which is called as nucleoid, which is the main genomic DNA. And the another structure, which is called as plasmid. This plasmid is also a double-stranded circular, as the main property of the plasmid is it is a self-replicating and it provides a unique phenotype characters, that is it is a resistance to the antibiotic. Then there is another structure which is called as this granules like structure called as ribosome. And in bacteria the ribosome is of 70S. They are made up of two subunits, 50S and 30S. And the another structure which is the infolding, which is called as chromatophore. And this chromatophore contains the pigments. Mainly they are present in the cyanobacteria. So this was about the structure of the bacterial cell. Thank you. If you like this video, then do subscribe this channel. Thank you.